begins and it's Noora is gone, so let's start. Noora, bye. See you later. Saluting the national flag. The trip begins by honoring the national flag. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Let's concentrate on the road.
ਬਖਸ਼ੇ ਸਿਫਤ ਸਲਾਹ ਨਾਨਕ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹੀ ਪਾਤਸ਼ਾਹ ਅਮੁੱਲ ਗੁਣ ਅਮੁੱਲ व्यापार अमूल व्यापारी है।
Guys, good morning और हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया है अपना ट्रिप. So yes, we are on our way to a very beautiful place along with my mom and dad. Obviously Noora had her exams, so she could not obviously accompany us. So it's time to start the trip and stay tuned and keep supporting Journeyman 2.0. Well, these are the state of art bridges that are going to be connected further to this highway, so even it's gonna be a faster way to commute to Srinagar. Sorry, I guess this is for the train. My apologies. This is not for the cars, I reckon. Dad, is this for this thing or for the train? I guess this is for the train. Yeah. This is a चलेगी train, mix and match. अब तक तो हमारे बंदे समझ ही गए होंगे कि हम कहाँ जा रहे हैं. What's our destination for this trip? These are like massive pillars. This is our first toll plaza. We are here in our first tunnel, which is the Nasri tunnel. Okay, sorry, my apologies. ये कौन सी tunnel?
Nandini Tunnel.
Sorry, Nandini tunnel, yeah. So here we go. Now we're gonna get the Nandini tunnel 1, 2 and I guess 3 tunnels in a row. This is the first one. Here is the second tunnel, as you can see.
We'll show you all the tunnels along the way. And now will come the third tunnel.
Third tunnel. So this is the third tunnel.
Nandini third.
नंदनी पार्ट 3 और उसके बाद आएगी फिर जब हम जम्मू से वी ड्राइव टूवर्ड्स श्रीनगर, तो वी गॉट लाइक 4 टनल्स. ये हमने थर्ड पास की है. सॉरी, थर्ड पास करने के बाद ग्रीनरी. नाउ दिस इज द 4th टनल. So we got bikers on the way. Here we are out of the tunnel. Well, these are the mountains of Mata Vaishno Devi, Katra. As you can see, let me get through the checkpost first. And yeah. Beautiful shrine right there, Mata Vaishno Devi shrine, as you can see. I hope you guys can. तो ये जम्मू सिटी से it is somewhere around 40 kilometers and it takes around an hour max to reach right there. Guys, we have nearly reached Udhampur, and in almost 1 hour and 10 minutes we have covered somewhere around 80 kilometers, or maybe. Before the new highways came into existence, it used to take somewhere around 3 hours to reach Udhampur, but now it takes hardly 1 hour, which is great. So we can see the shift in, what do you call this, plain areas to the mountain range, to the hilly areas. Yes. बंदा कुछ ज़्यादा जल्दी में है.
Middle Himalaya.
This place.
These are outer Himalaya.
These are the outer Himalayas, as you can see. And now it's time to. We are just near the main tunnel. This is around 10 kilometers in stretch, and it reduces the overall distance by 60-70 kilometers. Saves a lot of time, energy, fuel, everything. So this is how beautiful it is, and it's gonna be even better than how it is. So yeah, this is called the Chenani Tunnel, as you can see, and the toll plaza is right here. So there's another toll that we need to cross. Guys, here is the main tunnel, and Masri tunnel that connects Jammu to Srinagar. Long stretch. The AQI index inside the tunnel is not that good, so yeah, it's better to close the windows. And now we'll see a sudden drop in the temperature as soon as we'll reach this place. So we can use the adaptive cruise control here as well. Average speed is 50 kilometers. अभी हमें और 6 से 7 मिनट लग सकते हैं. जो हमारा सेट है वो बोल रहा है 6.5 किलोमीटर, 6.5 किलोमीटर्स. सो जर्नी मैन का एक्चुअली ये प्रोग्राम बना है ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ माई पेरेंट्स, क्योंकि उनको कुछ वेरी इम्पोर्टेंट जगह पे जाना था. He had a very important meeting, so obviously we're gonna miss Noora on this trip along with Dr. Sukhdeep, but that is how it is. And also Noora has got her exams, otherwise I would have taken her along. And there is Mata right there. Mommy, how are you feeling? Good. Great. Good one. Hungry? We'll stop somewhere. हमारा जो टोटल टाइम फॉर दिस जर्नी दिखा रहा है, द टोटल टाइम it will take to commute or to reach Srinagar is somewhere around 3 hours, and it's almost 10:23. So we are just near the exit, I believe. Yes, we are near the exit, and we will have to check out the weather by opening the windows, and we can already see, now you'll see the difference. अभी आपको डिफरेंस पता चल जाएगा. As in हमारी फ्यूल कंजप्शन जो है that is around 9.3 kilometers, and we have found a spot to have our chai. प्रेम की हट्टी. No, इतने नाश्ता नहीं होगा. This is just the. Well, guys, I thought I'll just take a stretch, and you can already see the difference. तो ये ही एक स्ट्रेच है जो थोड़ा भी अंडर मेंटेनेंस है. The only stretch that you'll find under maintenance as soon as you'll cross the tunnel. And now we are trying to find a place where we can just take a cup of tea. I mean, we have to close the windows, turn on the aircon, and here is the second tunnel. इस जर्नी में हम आपको लेके जाएंगे अपने पिंड वाले घर. क्यों डैड? What do you want to do? Hello, meet Mr. JB Singh. Here Mr. JB Singh is. तो डैड इस बार हमने जाना है अपने गांव वाले घर के नहीं. ठीक है?
It was burnt into 2022.
Oh yes, we all know it was burnt in 2022. We'll see if we can manage to walk through those bushes, and we'll let you know. We'll let you know. ठीक है डैड, चलेंगे. It's gonna be rediscovering the undiscovered. So we got our mounts on the place. Okay. Now we have changed setup to this, and now somebody's calling us. Let us take the call first. This is also one of the tunnels. So this tunnel has been designed in a way to avoid landslides, and the vehicles are safe. Well guys, now we are in an area that is prone to this thing. What do you call this thing here? समझ गए ना? ये tunnel number I guess 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the sixth tunnel so far. Right there, and this was very steep, as in steep. So this will save us more time. I guess हम यहाँ आ रहे हैं after कितनी देर के बाद? After 2 years. So things have changed. खुद सानू चाय पिला दे हो कोई. कौन? कोई चाय की जगह नहीं मिल रही है. No place as such. Raju, finally we found Raju. Let's go and hit Raju. Raju, where are you hiding? Raju. Because we need caffeine, hence we need Raju. Oh, and there is Shivji. We have ordered aloo parantha और साथ में आ गई है चाय. That's a good place, nice and neat and clean kitchen. And sure, चलते हैं. And finally we are able to spot a good tea stall. ओ मम्मी जी सुस्ता रहे हो? मम्मी आपने तो बेडरूम ही बनाया हुआ है, अंदर कंबल. क्या बात है. यू आर फीलिंग टायर्ड. कोई गल नहीं, इट इज़ ओके, होता है. वैसे थके तो नहीं हो? मुझे नहीं लगता. थके हो? नहीं.
नो.
चलो फिर चाय मंगवा ली है मैंने. स्ट्रॉन्ग चाय. डैड के लिए विदाउट शुगर
पराठा
1 पराठा एंड बाकी तो आपके साथ हैं। वैसे ही ये बड़ी सही लग रही हैं ग्लासेस। गाइस व्हाट डू यू वांट टू से अबाउट माय मम अबाउट हर ग्लासेस? डोंट बी कैमरा कॉन्शियस। घर में एक ही बंदा कैमरा कॉन्शियस बड़ा है, दैट इज मी राइट देयर। बड़ी चाय आ गई गाइस पापा के लिए। हाँ गुड वन मम्मी, यू आर सो इंटेलिजेंट। थोड़ी थोड़ी पा के देगा। चलो भाई, let us have our chai and we'll see you guys later. Guys, here is our paratha, lovely paratha खा लो जी। डैडी एक पीस चुक लो। चुक लेंगे, don't worry. Well guys, we were hungry, so we got the parathas and chai. So chai is like kadak chai. Cheers, Dad. मॉम गट सम आलू रोटियां घर से, वो भी आ गई। चाह का कप ले लेने एक और, कोई नहीं। द टी वाज सो गुड कि हमने एक और कप ऑर्डर कर दिया। चीयर्स मम्मी, चीयर्स टू द चर्सी पीपल। Pit stop is over. Now it's time to get back to the track and to the journey and towards the destination. Car is on a self-drive. I can enjoy the scenic beauties of Kashmir. We are in Kashmir Valley, and you can see how beautiful it is. Clean stretch. Yeah, and there's some snow right there at the top. Working very fine, very well. In between I have to keep this thing, and there is another tunnel coming up. Switching back to the manual mode.
Big one.
So this is another tunnel. Do not drink and drive, guys. Be safe than being sorry. And this is another beautiful tunnel, one of the major tunnels, and this has a stretch of around how many kilometers? I guess 5 kilometers. The air quality index, as I told you earlier, inside the tunnel is very poor, so I am to turn on the aircon, back to the adaptive cruise control, and now we are here. And our limit should be 50. We gotta reduce the speed limit to 50. Still in the tunnel, guys. It's a 10-kilometer stretch, maybe 12. We are just near the exit, and as soon as we get out of the exit, there is sudden this thing change in weather. We are here, the beautiful valley of Kashmir, and you can see lights off. Beautiful valley of Kashmir. बहुत सुंदर, अमेजिंग। ओए होए, हवा इतनी ठंडी हो गई है, ऐसे लग रहा है एसी चल रहा है। देखा, फर्क पड़ गया हवा में, मतलब उस टनल और इस टनल में देयर इज अ डिफरेंस। यस, वेदर अपडेट दे देते हैं। हे अलेक्सा, वेदर प्लीज। अपडेट इज इट्स 18 degrees, max 20, and it's beautiful valley of Kashmir. And now we're gonna reach at our destination in 1 hour. It's very beautiful. I still remember last time I came, we stood here for some reason. There was this thing, what do you call it, a stoppage due to some security reasons. And mom is saying कि यार तुम्हारा AC चल रहा है। मैं कहा नहीं भाई, देख रहे हो ओए होए, ब्यूटीफुल यार, ब्यूटीफुल। क्लाउड भी बन रहे हैं मम्मी, what do you want to say?
क्लाउड भी बन रहे, ब्यूटीफुल वैली
क्या कहना चाहते हैं?
बहुत कुछ
ब्यूटीफुल वैली तो उस साइड में ज़्यादा दिख रही है, डैड वाले साइड में ना। Guys, the stretch of road. Did to share this shot with you guys. Look at this. So beautiful. Awesome. Beautiful weather, beautiful sunshine, and a very good stretch of road. चलो जी, अब हम मिलेंगे सीधा होटल पहुंच के. Well guys, we have entered Srinagar city. We are just on the brink of Srinagar city. Here we are, just entering the Srinagar city, just on the outskirts. बाहर का एरिया ये है पंथा चौक, और अब हमने सीधा जाना. We'll try, and if I can go to a place which was our home when we used to live in Srinagar in Bachpan when I was a kid, and I will also show you the school from where I did schooling till 3rd, I guess, or maybe 4th, 3rd, and that's the TV tower, one of the famous things
अंदर ही है
in Srinagar. And then locality where we used to live, not on this side but on the other side of this side. And let me show you my school. To our school by walking all the way around 1 kilometers from where we used to walk down to our school. यहाँ से हम जाते थे, and आज भी ये shops यही हैं, and we used to stop here. और हम यहाँ से I guess यहाँ पे एक confectionery की shop होती थी. And I have been to this place also. This is a ziyarat, right, Mami? यही है ना? And we've been to this.
तेरा स्कूल आ गया क्या
ज़्यादा अगला स्कूल.
So this is our school. I mean my school from where I did my schooling, Bernal School, Srinagar. And they've got another building coming up, I guess. No, it's not the building of the school. It belongs to someone else. So now reached Dal Gate. Dal Lake. Sorry guys. But यहाँ लग चुका है जाम for some reason. अब ये जैम क्यों लग को देखेंगे बहुत सारे हाउस बोट right there. So many kabutar. You can say famous bakeries, Jan Bakers. I don't know it's still functional or not, but यहाँ से हमने लिया है. And there is Paras Health, जहाँ पे पापा का चेकअप कराना हमने. That's lovely. अलग ही वाइब्स हैं यहाँ की. मम्मी, how are you feeling? Where is our mummy? Mommy,
हाँ जी बोलो
कैसा लग रहा है आपको
बोलो
अपने
बोलो
शहर
अपने
आके?
पुराने शहर में आके बहुत बढ़िया लग रहा है. कितने साल बाद आए.
Well, और हम पहुंच चुके हैं on the famous Dal Lake. Yeehaw! And now we have to locate our location. Let's locate the location. In a bit, guys. Have located our shoo. अरे आगे तो रास्ता ही नहीं है. अरे आगे रास्ता भी है भाई, आगे रास्ता भी है. Do not worry. No hurry, no worry. And we have got a Chinese fat panda. This is like a hidden gem on the lake. You can simply park your car, and if you love to trek and if you love to walk, park your car in a very safe place, and then you can go wherever you want to go. So we have reached. See you in a bit. That's our white tiger. That's us right there. not too shabby. Durgo. सत श्री अकाल. बड़ी हैवी बिल है. चलो जी. Common parking area, and then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 hotels in the same area. And there is a very beautiful Airbnb right here. Right opposite to the Shankaracharya temple. Very good. Keep walking with Journeyman. Here it is, the hidden gem, and it's very neat, tidy, and a very cozy place to be. And it has a beautiful backside garden too. We are here. This is the beautiful cozy room. And you want to check out the other one? It is the same, but you can have a look. Upar. Second is this. ये भी अच्छा सेम है. मेरे ख्याल में वो वाला ज़्यादा बेटर है. वहाँ से धूप ज़्यादा अच्छी आती है. I was staying in this room.
Proceed to the route.
Let's try this one. Very nice. Let's see. Window has this view. Not too shabby. From where we can get a better view. See, I told you. Now we are very near to the TV tower. And we used to live on the other side of the TV tower. Let's see this one. Ah, this is good. This is nice. Paji, I will book this one. Yeah, this is nice. And I get a better view. Yeah. हमने चेक इन कर लिया है. And now it's time to do what? To park the D. And I'm a bit confused as in how to park it. But eventually we will. Some reason I always prefer staying in a homestay or an Airbnb rather than staying in a hotel, because it gives you more of a homely vibe and you get to experience the life among the locals, है ना. तो वो थोड़ा सा नेचुरल रहता है rather than yes sir, no sir, no sir, yes sir. वो वाली फीलिंग नहीं आती. You feel like home away from home. So that is how we feel. Anyways, I came here to take बचा कुछ सामान. ठीक है, ये गर्म हो जाती. अरे भैया चलो इसको यहीं रहने देते हैं. यहाँ तो बेडरूम बन रखा है. Oh, it's a very cozy blanket. So I have to take this. And I have to take this. Guys, I left this thing in the car, so I'm taking this along. कुछ मॉम का बचा हुआ सामान था, I guess डैड की मेडिकेशन भी इसी में. This thing kind of creates that warm, cozy feeling. Hello guys, here it is. माता जी थोड़ी सेवा करोगे कि नहीं करोगे तुसी? शाबाश. Now it's time for a lovely cup of tea, followed with ये क्या ऑर्डर किया है? ब्रेड ऑमलेट की. हाँ, ब्रेड ऑमलेट. Yes. And a very beautiful view outside. शुगर दैट चेक कर लेते हैं.
अच्छा, शुगर टेस्ट करनी.
हाँ अनु भाई, दिस वन इज़ फॉर यू इन HD. चाय बन रही है इन HD एंड आई एम इन श्रीनगर. और अगली बार तो नाल चलांगे, कोई नहीं, नेक्स्ट टाइम. Cheers, Monu bhai, cheers. Well guys, you've already taken the room this thing. Room tour, wardrobe, simple, clean, neat washroom with a very scenic view. And the reason I had a room available in the ground floor as well, and on the mid floor. But the reason why I opted for this one is because of this. Though I have this thing coming in between the view, but as you see, not bad. I also used to run a Airbnb, but later on I just rented out that thing and I named it as Home Away from Home. And the reason was because I myself got inspired from the fact that when you are away from your home, but you need to feel like you're still at home, if you know what I mean. So ban gaya Home Away from Home. Okay guys, now I'm taking rest. I need to take a nap because I am tired. So we see you guys in the evening opposite the Dal Lake. Ciao, take care, yeah, and bye bye. Well guys, it's evening time and I thought I'll also go for my prayers and you can hear them. You can hear them, yeah. It's their evening prayer. So it doesn't matter, which God you follow. What matters is that you should follow it with your full honor and not only follow your own religion, but you should also respect others. So in a very respectful way, while they are doing their azan or the evening prayers, the evening namaz, we'll go for our Hera Sahib, and also at the same time we'll get ready and then we'll go out and take a walk at the Dal Lake. It's gonna be cold, so I'm gonna wear socks. It's gonna be cold outside, and I guess that will be fine. Crocs are always very comfortable when you're driving or in traveling. Well guys, that's the fit check. Fit check guys, fit check for today. Yeah, looking good. Good. Fit check. Now it's time to move. Your bedding tidy. So done. Okay. The door locked. Come on. Oh yeah. It's dark outside. But the beautiful mountains are still visible. It's actually dark. So yeah. What? Let's go. Come on. My beloved parents.
I think you were speaking to me, right?
And there is this pizza. Oh, Winterfell Inn. And then there is Fat Panda. So if you want to try Chinese, तो हम यहाँ भी जा सकते हैं Chinese try करने. Guys, Fat Panda. I'm gonna be a fat panda. And how convenient it is. Not even 150 meters from the main Dal Gate, Ghat number 5. Winterfell Inn, you can see this. Very cozy, very nice, neat and clean. Simple place. I'm not saying it's too hanky-panky, too hi-fi. But it's neat and clean and simple. So if you wanna stay for longer days or budget is not an issue, then yeah, you can go anywhere you want to, but I mean, it's your personal choice. And then we got Shikaras right there in the line. Yes.